Hello students, in today's session I am going to discuss the overview of the chapter number 4 of the economics, that is the banking and monetary policy. Students कोई भी अभी लिखने की ट्राई नहीं करेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द ओवरव्यू ऑफ द चैप्टर and then after you can copy out in your notes. Okay, so we are going to discuss the overview of the chapter number 4. The name of that chapter is the banking and monetary policy. Okay students, this chapter is mainly divided into two parts. First part is about the commercial bank, and the second part of the chapter is about the central bank. Okay, so what you will going to learn in the commercial bank? In commercial bank you need to learn three topics. First one, you will learn about the definition and evolution of banking. स्टूडेंट्स मैं चैप्टर समझा नहीं रहा हूँ, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द ओवरव्यू कि नहीं हम लोग क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं, अपकमिंग सेशंस में कैसे पढ़ेंगे, कौन से टॉपिक का कितना वेटेज होगा, कहाँ पे हम लोग को ज़्यादा फोकस करना है. सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द ओवरव्यू ऑफ द वर्ल्ड चैप्टर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी लर्न अबाउट द डेफिनेशन एंड इवोल्यूशन ऑफ बैंकिंग, देन यू विल लर्न about the functions of commercial bank. That is one of the easiest and important topic of the whole syllabus. Third one would be the types of bank accounts. Okay, so these are the three topics that we will learn under the commercial bank: definition and evolution of banking, functions of commercial bank, and types of bank accounts. Okay, now we will move further to the central bank. Under central bank we are going to learn the three topics. First one would be the definition of central bank. Second one, we will learn about the functions of central bank. Here we will learn that which are the functions performed by the central bank of the country, which are the monetary functions, non-monetary functions, all these things that we will learn under that particular topic. Okay, and the third one, and that is one of the important topic of the syllabus, that is the monetary policy. So students, according to me, that would be two parts that we will learn under that chapter. First part of the chapter is consist about the commercial bank, and the second part of the chapter is consist about the topics of central bank. Under commercial bank we need to learn the definition and evolution of banking, then we will learn about the functions of commercial bank, then we will learn about the types of bank accounts, then we will move further to a definition of central bank, then we will learn functions of central bank, and last we will discuss about the monetary policy. Okay, so that's it about the particular session. Hope you understood it very well. Thank you.